How to make a vermicomposting container with Florida 4-H. With an adult's help, drill holes in the sides and top of your container. You should have holes all around the top of the sides and the lid of your container, like this. Now, add shredded newspapers and sprinkle them with water to lightly wet them. Add your red wigglers. Now add your table scraps. I used lettuce, coffee grounds and filters, cracked eggshells, and a few pieces of tomato. Add the rest of your shredded newspapers and sprinkle them with more water to make them damp. Now put your lid back on your container and watch your red wigglers make some black gold. Thanks for watching.